Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Linux Mint 22.2 Cinnamon edition on VirtualBox. Okay, first go to Linux Mint official website and download. See here at the time of installation the latest release is Linux Mint 22.2. So click on download. See here we have the different editions: Cinnamon, XFCE and Mate. In this video we are going to download and install Cinnamon edition. Okay, but the installation process is same for XFCE or Mate also. Click on download. See here its size is 3 gigabytes. Then click on any one of these mirrors. See download started, go to downloads. See here its size is about 2.8 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one because I have already downloaded. See here I have already downloaded. In your case wait until download completes. Once download is completed then open VirtualBox. If you haven't installed VirtualBox then search for this video description how to install VirtualBox on Windows or Linux operating systems, or search for my YouTube channel. Click on new or go to machine and select new. Then provide the name for the virtual machine. Then select the folder to store this virtual machine files and folders. Select the path where you have the enough space. Then select the downloaded ISO image. Select other, then select downloaded ISO image, open. Then see OS change it to Linux, OS distribution to Ubuntu and OS version to Ubuntu 64-bit. Unselect this one, that is proceed with unattended installation. Then come to virtual hard drive. I am giving 4 gigabytes. Number of zip equals 2. Then virtual hard disk I am giving 50 gigabytes. Then click on finish. Still if you want to modify the settings of this virtual machine, right click and select the settings, or just select it and click on settings. If you are okay with all the settings, right click and select start and start with GUI, or just click on the start button. Use up and down arrows and select the first one, that is start Linux Mint, and hit enter. See, if you want to use this for testing purpose, you can use and you can shut down. But if you want to install permanently, right click on this install Linux Mint and select the open. Then select the language and click on continue. Select keyboard layout and continue. If you want to install multimedia codecs, you have to select the checkbox. It is up to you. Then click on continue. See, select the installation type. See, this is the fresh installation, so I am going to select erase disk and install Linux Mint. Then click on install now. This is just confirmation. Click on continue. Select the region from this globe. Okay, then click on continue. Now we have to create or set up user. This is the user full name and this is the computer name. Later also we can change this computer name or host name. This is the actual username. Then provide the password. See, installation has been started. This will take time. I am going to pause this video. At the end it will ask us to reboot the system. Then we will reboot the system and we will perform the post installation steps. In the meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, installation has finished. If you want to continue testing, you have to click on this continue testing. I don't want, so click on restart now. See the message. Please remove the installation medium, then press enter. See here, optical drive is empty. If it is not empty, you have to click on here. Then come to here, then hit enter. Now provide the password, hit enter. Every time if you want to show this dialog box, we have to keep the checkbox. I don't want, so I don't want any one of this. Just close this one. Now open terminal. Let me increase the font size. Press Ctrl plus plus. Now verify the version that we have installed. More /etc os-release. See, we have installed Linux Mint and its version is 22.2 and its code name is Zara and its Ubuntu code name is Noble. Noble means it is like Ubuntu 24.04. Okay, the first step after connecting to Linux Mint is we have to update the packages. Sudo apt update ampersand sudo apt upgrade. Hit enter. Then provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. Type and hit enter. See, this will take time. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install Linux Mint 22.2 Zara edition on VirtualBox. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.